Hello and welcome to this edition of Study Saturday here at International Yankee English. I post weekly videos every Saturday here, and I hope that if you like this video, you will consider subscribing and hitting that like button. Let's get started with today's topic, subject-verb agreement. Okay, let's have a look at these 12 exercises to test your knowledge. Please have a look at numbers 1 through 12 and decide if the first or the second word is the correct one to use in this sentence. Let's look at number 1. Daniel and his friends is or are at work. Number 2. Either my husband or my sister is or are coming to the appointment. Number 3. Either my purse or your pants is or are always on the table. Number 4. Karen and Alexa doesn't or don't want to play by the rules. Number 5. One of my friends is or are going on a trip around the world. Number 6. The woman with all the cats live or lives in my neighborhood. Number 7. The YouTube video, including all the ads, take or takes about 3 hours to watch. Number 8. Every one of those ideas is or are too difficult. Number 9. Nobody know or knows the obstacles you have endeavored. Number 10. Is or are the news on at 7 or 8 in the evening. Number 11. Robotics is or are Sheldon's favorite school subject, while drama is or are Penny's favorite subject. Number 12. All of the documents, even the blank one, is or are on SharePoint. Take a moment to review these and think about it, and pause the video if you need more time. Let's take a look at these answers. Number 1 is very clearly plural because we have Daniel and his friends. Number 2 and 3, in both cases, even though you have more than one item, you have husband and sister, and then purse and pants, which is also in itself plural, these items are considered singular because of the use of the word either at the beginning. Number 4, Karen and Alexa. That's plural, so you use don't. Number 5, this may confuse you because you see friends as plural, but at the beginning of the sentence, we see one of my friends. So not all of my friends or some of my friends, but just one. Therefore, singular. Number 6 is about the woman. That is the subject, not the plural cats. Therefore, the woman lives. Number 7 is about one YouTube video, so don't be distracted by the plural word ads because it's all about the video. Therefore, takes is the correct answer. Number 8 is pretty simple since it says every one of those ideas. Therefore, almost any time you see the word one in a sentence as a subject, it becomes singular, so the answer is. Number 9, nobody knows. When we say nobody, we mean not even one person. So nobody knows. Body is singular. Number 10, news seems like it would be plural because it has an S at the end, but when you refer to the news in English, you mean the news as in a television show or a segment on a channel. Therefore, you use is. Is the news on at 7 or 8? Number 11, both robotics and drama could appear to be plural, but when you refer to a singular subject, then you will always use it in the singular. So robotics is and drama is. And our last one, number 12. All of the documents, even the blank one, are on SharePoint. You use are because we are referring to all of the documents, therefore plural. Don't get distracted by the additional information, even the blank one, because we are still referring to the plural, all of the documents. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is an important topic, and I hope you learned something, and that you will come back to learn more from us here at International Yankee English. Don't forget to subscribe, join our Facebook group, and coming up in September 2020, we will have an official website and a Patreon account where you can select your level of support for extra support or for full-on English courses and discounts on private lessons. So stay tuned for details on that. And I hope you have a great day. Bye!